Hey everyone! Welcome to our quick overview of Flutter 3.24. Let's check out what's new. The Flutter community has been buzzing with activity, contributing over 850 comments and welcoming 49 new contributors. Amazing teamwork! We now have new slivers for dynamic app bars, letting headers float, stick, or resize as you scroll. Super handy. The Cupertino library got some love too. Expect haptic feedback for action sheets and improved button styles that feel more native. Say hello to the new TreeView widget. It allows for interactive scrolling trees, making your app's interface more engaging. Also, in this update, is the Material Design Carousel widget, which offers a fresh layout for scrolling through items. We've simplified widget logic by moving it from the Material library to the Widgets library, making it easier to access cool features like haptic feedback. Thanks to community contributions, AnimationStatus now has new getters like isDismissed and isCompleted, making animations smoother. The SelectionArea supports triple clicks and double taps now, improving text selection across devices. Nice upgrade! One of the highlights is the preview of Flutter GPU. You can create custom renderers using Dart and VLSL shaders without diving into native code. Exciting for graphics lovers. Web apps can now embed multiple Flutter views at once, giving you more flexibility and integration. And for those monetizing video content, there's a new interactive media ads plugin to help with in-stream video ads on mobile apps. Flutter also introduces early support for Swift Package Manager, making dependency management on iOS and macOS a breeze. The Shared Preferences plugin has been updated too, improving data handling on Android with Preferences Data Store. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you're as excited about these updates as we are. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Flutter news.